I got that one on video.
It was a flip-flop of that thing. Mom, can you hold me because I'm gonna be doing a really rough thing. I want Dad to video me out.
Well, what are you doing?
Can I use these batteries? I'm a pedal. Can I borrow these batteries out here? I'll put them back.
No.
Do you have any batteries?